Alright, so just got this Squawk Box monthly parrot subscription box for Maggie. See what's in here and see what she thinks about it. First of all, I noticed there's lots of packaging, so we'll just set that off to the side for now. First we got a package of walnuts. Now if she hasn't tried walnuts yet, we'll give them a go. It comes all kinds of different toys. We got a looks like a little bridge here. Let's see how she does with that. Man, little hang toy for her. Looks pretty neat. She will definitely like that. She likes biting at them. Some wood stuff to chew on. So it looks like some homemade toys too, some of them. Pretty cool. That. Another hanging thing. And we got another toy. Stuff looks pretty good. See what Maggie thinks, if she wants to cooperate. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here. Come on. Oh. Oh, well, I guess she's not interested in cooperating. She just flew away on me. She just recently started flying really good, so... Anyway, that's it. My thoughts on this are looks pretty good. Lots of good chew stuff for her. And they make this in all different sizes for the different size parrots. And this is the small birdie one. And yeah, we'll see how she goes. I'll maybe make another video reviews on how she liked and reacted with everything. Since how she's not want to cooperate right now, but. Thank you for watching. Bye.